Welcome back to Russ Works. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to install a roll-up garage door. Before starting, make sure you read the manufacturer's instructions for your specific door, and always wear proper safety gear. Roll-up doors are heavy and under spring tension, so safety is critical. First up, you're going to want to remove the shipping blocks from the brackets. Next up, you're going to want to install the vertical door guides with the opening facing the door. Next up is the door barrel, which is the rolled up curtain and spring assembly. This part is heavy, so make sure you have help. Lift the barrel into position above the opening and secure it with the mounting brackets to the frame. Now to adjust the spring tension, you're going to want to release tension until the door can be lifted smoothly and stays in place when partially open. Next, you're going to install guide stops to prevent the door from coming out of the tracks. Now for final adjustments and testing, tighten all bolts and add any additional hardware. Open and close the door several times to check for smooth operation. The door should move easily, stay balanced, and fully seal when closed.